Oh, welcome back inside the Morning Scramble. Always a pleasure when you can talk to very talented and beautiful women who are doing amazing things. This is Sharice Irby. She is an empowerment life coach and a best-selling author. So welcome inside the Morning Scramble.
Thank you so much, Danielle. It's an honor to be here. I'm excited.
I love your energy. And let's tell everybody about your book. It's The Whole Women Win, Unleash the Winner from Within.
Yes.
Sounds like a lot that women need to do, but a lot of times we don't even do that, right?
We don't even do that. So yes, Whole Women Win, Unleashing the Winner from Within. And it's 9 messages really designed to help us as women to step into the center stage of our life. Because so often we spend a lot of time taking care of our families, our education, we're killing our career, we're doing all these things, but we forget to take care of ourselves. So this book reminds us as women to take care of ourselves, to live in our purpose, and to live our very best dream and be the women that we were created and designed to be. So it is fabulous for women to really come back to their passion and what makes them sparkle and shine and be vibrant.
I feel like I should hold your hand and say amen. Well, let's talk about the, this is a weekend where it's Phenomenal Women Empowerment Network Incorporated. So this is a weekend where women can really come and kind of get resurged, kind of find, like you said, that purpose. But how do they go about doing that?
So it's going to be excellent. This weekend, this Saturday, is our Phenomenal Woman Empowerment Conference. It's our 5th annual conference. We're really excited. Our theme is Dime Speak. And we want women to understand that we are dynamic, intelligent, multi-talented, exquisite women of value. And we embrace who we are. And we are turning up the shine in Arizona this weekend. And we do that by really silencing our inner critic and really, you know, not competing with one another. So often as women, we want to compete with each other. I don't want us competing with each other. We have to support each other. When women support women, incredible things happen. And so this weekend is about us silencing our inner critic, us learning to really support one another and encourage one another and turn up our shine. Because when I shine, you shine. When you shine, I shine. And so we really want women to just live their best life. And so we're going to come with some tools and some actionable content to be able to help women live their best life, because that's what it's all about.
So when they go there, is this, it's a big networking event, but are there workshops that they're taking, like a course and a class, or are there guest speakers? How does it operate?
We have guest speakers, so I'm excited because we have Dr. Letitia Wright.
Okay.
She's coming out of Southern California. She is the #1 expert on crowdfunding. She's a producer and host of The Right Place. So she's coming to really give some nuggets to us as entrepreneurs and business women. And then we have Pastor Deborah Garrett, and she's local here in Arizona, and she's coming to bridge the gap. As women, how do we balance being corporate women, being entrepreneurs, mothers, wives, and our spiritual life? Where do those intersections happen? And how do we kind of balance all that out? So she's going to come and she's going to talk about that. And then I'm speaking as well. And so I'm going to be talking to the total woman. And I'm going to talk to women about how we get tricked up in our mindset and we end up in the trap of dysfunction and how that impedes our ability to shine in our community, shine in a corporate place, shine within our family. So we're going to talk about that as well. And then we have a dynamic men's panel.
I was going to say, do the men get a chance to incorporate themselves in this event?
We have a men's panel, and they are coming to dialogue about relationships.
Well, this is good.
They are excited. So when you attend this event, we do not break out, so you get to hear each speaker. You're not missing anyone. You get to hear each speaker.
I think that's key. Because a lot of times you go to events and you have to go to this workshop for a particular topic or forum. You have to go to another one. So you do miss out on some of the dialogue that could help you, and you're not crossing over. But here, everybody's in one location. They get a chance to incorporate everything, so you're not missing any points.
You got it.
Well, let's talk about the book giveaway with registration, because people don't only get a chance to go, they also get something back in return.
Absolutely. So there's a couple things that we're doing. For the Morning Scramble, we have a special. Yay! So anyone who's watching and you register and you use the coupon code SHINE, you will receive 10% off your registration price, and you also receive a free copy of my book, Whole Women Win, Unleashing the Winner from Within.
And we all want to be whole women, because right now a lot of women are just acting on parts of themselves. Yes. And they have so much more to give to themselves, but they don't know how to do it. So this event is definitely key to go. Tell everybody where it's going to be held.
It's going to be held at the Scottsdale Public Library on Civic Center Drive in Scottsdale. And we will be there from 11 to 4 o'clock. The conference starts at 11. We also have a networking reception, so you get to network with the attendees. We have an absolutely wonderful menu, so we'll have hot food as well. And we're just going to have a really good time. You get a swag bag. We're taking pictures. We have a red carpet experience. And the best part is that a portion of the proceeds from the tickets go to fund our Carrie J. Gray Scholarship and Award Program. Right. And on Saturday, we will be issuing our recipient for our scholarship. She's going to college, she'll be getting her scholarship, and we have another woman who's resetting her life, and we're going to be giving her an award as well. So it's just a good cause all the way around, and women are empowered, inspired, and motivated.
So it doesn't really matter where you are right now in your life. If you feel like this is not for me because I'm not at that stage yet, you can come because it's speaking to the woman to where you are now, so it can help get you to where you want to be, correct?
No matter what stage you're in, we have something for you. Because here's the premise of everything that I do. It's about getting women to the next level.
Okay.
So we meet you where you are, and then we give you the tools to get you to the next level along your journey so that you launch into your stratosphere of success. So the way that we have it created, it doesn't matter what step you are along your journey, we got you.
Well, Cherise, you've got me, and I hope the women come out and support you. It's just amazing just talking to you. I love your energy and your spirit, and if anybody can get you to the next level, it is Cherise. Don't go anywhere. We'll have more for Mother's Day inside the Morning Scramble.